Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a pack with me for New Hampshire. I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm so freaking excited. So I just wanted to film this video of me packing and me getting ready. So the first step that I always do in packing is I make a space and I lay everything out and all the outfits I'm gonna wear. So I'm using my bag. I actually just finished packing my toiletries. I'll just show you this really quickly. This is this cool little thing that my Nana actually got me. Hold on, let me zip these all things up. Okay, so as I was saying, this is what I pack all my toiletries in, and it just kind of unravels into this. I'm not going to go through what is in every single thing, but I bring my skincare routine with me and all my hair products, deodorant, like body wash, all of that type of things. I put them all into this thing. This is really hard to do with one hand. As I was saying, I would definitely recommend having a big clear space to pack everything. For me, it's my bed. Another thing I'd recommend is making a list of what you're going to be doing every day. So for us, it's just going to be basically hanging out at the beach and like maybe a dinner or two here and there, but in like a pub crawl. But for the most part, we're going to be at the beach, so there's not really much that I have to pack. So yeah, I'm just going to show you how I lay everything out for my options on what I'm going to bring. Okay, so I've laid all of my clothes out, and no, it probably doesn't look that organized, but to me it is. So these are just 3 sets of pajamas I'm gonna bring. I like to let everything out by outfits too, so like these are dresses and rompers that like are an outfit. This is an outfit. These are like a pair of miscellaneous shorts that I can just like wear with any of these tops above. So I just have this white tank top, this crop top, this yellow tank top, and then this actually needs to really be ironed, but and then 2 jean skirts. So I just put them on top of here because you can kind of wear them with whatever. And then this is like more of a swimsuit cover up because these are really thin. And like I said, these are pajamas, and then I just bought this one sweatshirt and these one pair of sweatpants. And then these are the bathing suits that I'm bringing. So for shoes, I'm bringing these black sandals. These haven't even worn yet. These are brown, obviously, as you can see. And then these white ones, and these are all from Target. Every single one of these are all from Target, literally. And then I think I'm also going to bring just a pair of like black slides, just like that are very simple and not so dressy. So I have this carry-on size suitcase, and I'm just gonna I have ice on my knees right now, so ignore that. But I'm basically just gonna roll everything and then put it in the suitcase. I think the rolling method is just the easiest way to fit as much clothes as possible in there. Okay, so this is my suitcase now that I've finished packing. I actually moved both of the bikini bottoms to the top so I could easily have it accessible, and then the sweatshirt I'm just gonna actually bring with me in the car because I'm probably gonna get cold in the car right anyways. But yeah, I put my underwear and the extra pair of like long pants up there, bras, bathing suit tops. This thing's like literally packed full. I'm actually kind of shocked that I fit all of this clothes in here. Yeah, So this is how I pack for a week away in New Hampshire. I can like literally barely close it with the extender up, so hold on. Another tip I have for you guys is to make sure that you try all of your outfits on. I actually did this the other day ahead of time to make sure that I liked them all before I laid them out. I made sure that I had enough outfits for every day, and then I had them all planned out. So I know that we're only gonna go to like a bar and stuff, so I made sure to have cute outfits for that, cute outfits for when we go out to eat. But basically a lot of it was just comfy, like tank top, shorts, stuff like that, stuff that you can like wear with kind of everything. But yeah, definitely try them on beforehand so you know that you like the outfits and you're not getting there and then trying to wear it and then you end up not liking it. And then another tip that I have is to roll everything. It prevents it from getting wrinkled, and you can also fit so much more in the suitcase. Because I definitely, like, I just fit a week's worth of clothes in a carry-on. So that is everything that I have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little pack with me video. I know it was kind of short, but be ready for a week in my life because I'm excited to film it. I'm excited to be there. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.